How to add someone on Snapchat with QR code. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can add someone on Snapchat with a QR code, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, Snapchat has a new feature that will allow users to scan their QR code and they'll be able to add them as a friend. So each person has a unique QR code, and to find your own QR code, you have to open Snapchat and tap your Bitmoji avatar. And when you tap on your profile icon, this is our snap code. Right now you will only be able to see your own snap code, and if someone has sent you their snap code and not their username, right, usually the username will also be written there, but if someone sent you their snap code and then now you want to add them as a friend using that snap code, first of all make sure you have the snap code on your gallery, right? So in my case, I already have that snap code. Now the next thing you need is a QR code scanner. Now most of the phones these days already have a QR code scanner. In my case, you can see I already have a QR code scanner on my phone by default. If you don't have it, you can download any QR code scanner from the Play Store, right, which is a third party. Now obviously if we can scan it, we can scan it, but if you want to choose from gallery, tap the gallery icon, select that particular profile here, then just tap on done option, then it will recognize the QR code, then just open the link. Then after you do that, it will take you to that person's profile page where you can tap on the add friend option to add them as a friend. This way you can add someone on Snapchat with QR code. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.